In a renewed push to win the war against drug abuse, Nigerians have been urged to actively join efforts in combating the growing threat of drug abuse and illicit trafficking across the country. This call was made by the Akwa Ibom State Commander of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, Mrs. Obot Bassey, during a sensitization walk to mark the 2025 United Nations International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. ADBN's correspondent David Isong files in this report.
It is another opportunity to raise awareness in the ongoing war against drug abuse. The 2025 United Nations International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking serves as a global platform to reinforce action and collaboration towards achieving a drug-free world. To mark the occasion, the NDLEA Akwa Ibom State Command organized a street awareness walk through Uyo aimed at educating the public on the dangers of drug abuse.
This is a day set aside by the United Nations to ensure that we sensitize and make our publics aware of drugs and its attendant consequences. We are at Plaza here right now. And Plaza is one of the black spots in Akwa Ibom. We are doing our best all the time with all the other sister agencies to ensure that we mop up drugs here. So we are calling on all Akwa Ibomites that please, if you see something, say something.
Also participating in the event was the Comptroller of Immigration Service in Akwa Ibom, CIS AG Odika, who emphasized the societal risk posed by drug abuse and illicit trafficking.
This year, according to her, the caption says prevention is better than cure. So we are here to let people know that the earlier they start prevention, applying every possible prevention measure to say no to drug abuse, the better their life and their future. So what we are trying to say is that prevention is better than cure, rather than saying or procrastinating.
Other key stakeholders at the event included representatives of the EFCC, Nigerian Correctional Service, and the State Drug Control Committee. Also highlighted the severe health consequences of drug abuse and advocated for preventive action.
On the effect of this drug on things that has to do with our national economy, because if our youths are not mentally okay, that means whatever they will not be productive to the society, and that will be a setback to our economy.
They say prevention is better than cure, and exactly we are on it already. Do away with drug, have a good life, live a good life, have a good society.
What we are doing today, it's a fitness walk to tell the public, the people of Akwa Ibom, to say no to drugs. The theme for this year's celebration is the evidence is real. So we are trying to tell them to say no to drugs and yes to prevention. Prevention at all levels. We are calling on all the agencies to collaborate.
The theme for this year's commemoration is "The evidence is clear, invest in prevention." A call to action encouraging individuals to make positive choices and break free from the grip of drug addiction. David Isong, ADBN News.